Hi, I'm Patty Garrett, owner of HomeWatch Caregivers in Overland Park, Kansas. We have compiled a list of the top 10 things that you as family members who are searching for care for your loved one should know to ask about the company that you're going to hire to take care of your loved one. How long has that agency been in business? Is there a written, customized care plan for your loved one? And do they make changes to that care plan as your loved one's condition changes? How are emergencies handled after normal business hours? Is there a live person answering the phone so that you're not pushing a 1 or a 2 when you need a person to speak to because your loved one's in crisis? Do they closely supervise the quality of care, including maintenance of a daily journal in the client's home and non-scheduled supervisory visits? We keep a communication log so that the family and the caregivers can communicate with each other about the daily changes in our client's life. We also come in and do scheduled and unscheduled visits so that we can always have a true picture of the dynamics that are going on within the home while our caregiver is with your loved one. Does the agency employ a nurse or a social worker or other qualified professional to make regular visits to the client's home? Do they provide a written document that states the rights and responsibilities of the client and explain the company's privacy policy and code of ethics? Do they triple screen their caregivers carefully, including use of reference checks, driving records, and criminal background checks? Does the agency mandate ongoing training of its employees and continually update their skills? Does the agency manage all payroll and employee-related matters and adhere to state and federal guidelines in its employment practices, such as withholding appropriate taxes and providing workmen's compensation and other benefits? Do they also use independent contractors? If so, who employs that person and what type of background checks do they do on their employees? Also, who pays the mandated taxes and withholdings? The more information that you have about the company and the best practices of the company that you are hiring to care for your loved one, you will have something that HomeWatch Caregivers takes great pride in, and that's peace of mind. That's one of our goals as a company. It's one of our best practices, and we hope that this list has helped you achieve that.